How's it going? It's Badtuna. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and as always, I'm doing Bob things. I just picked up this carrying case for my DJI Avata from STARTRC. Well, let's open it up and I'll show you how this thing is laid out.
All right, let's open up the case. See what we got. Again, this is a very simple case that I chose, and so what we have in here is the strap for the case, and then you have a slot here for your DJI goggles too, and then you have two compartments here for your batteries, two batteries, and then here is your motion controller, and then I think here is for your goggles, battery for your goggles, and then your drone fits in here. I think this here is for the cable, more accessories or cables that you can put in here. So let's go ahead and fit these things in. So here's the remote controller, or the hand motion controller. It fits right there with the lanyard. You can just put it off to the side there. And then you can put your batteries. Let's see, yeah, batteries in like so. And then you have your goggles. You can leave the strap on there like so, and it should fit perfectly in there. Yeah, I think it's good. That fit good. Yeah. And then the battery for the goggles fits right in there like so. So, and then you can put your cables in here. This is the cable for the goggles to connect the battery to the goggles, and then you place your drone in there like so. In this slot here, you can put more accessories in here. Like for instance, I did buy the filter for the Avata. I can put that in there. And then here's the charging hub for the batteries. I can also put that in here. And anything else, extra props, yeah, I can put my extra props in here, and it will do its job. So this is, to me, a perfect case for me to take on my travel. So it's not heavy, it's still kind of light, easy to carry. So that's the kind of thing that I was looking for in terms of a traveling case for the Avata. So yeah, again, this is the Avata, this is the carrying case from STARTRC. I bought it from Amazon.com. I'll put the link down below, and it's $49. So if you're looking for something that is simple, a simple case, this will do the job. Otherwise, you can get one of those big heavy case that can accommodate more batteries and the RC controller, along with the motion controller and so forth. All right, okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.
Oh.